In this video, I'll show you a feature you should never use in Microsoft Project. Did you know that in Microsoft Project, you can mark tasks as milestones even if they have a duration greater than 0 days? That makes no sense. And if you do this, it'll just create confusion about your Microsoft Project schedule. Let me show you all about this. So let's get started. A while back, I released a YouTube video in which I gave away a set of 10 QA filters which you can use to analyze your own projects to make sure they are of high quality. Here's the set of the 10 QA filters. If you don't have these already, I'd recommend that you click the link in the comment section below so that you can download and install these filters. When you look at the list with me, I think you'll agree they all make a lot of sense. Tasks not auto-scheduled. I recommend you do not use manually scheduled tasks and always use auto-scheduled tasks. Here's another one, summary tasks with dependencies. I recommend you never set task dependencies on summary tasks because that can lead to circular reference errors now or any time in the future. But then there's one QA filter that I think you'll find odd. Milestones with duration greater than 0 days. Now, wait a minute. I thought milestones automatically had a duration of 0 days. So how could a milestone have a duration greater than 0 days? Let's apply the filter and see what happens. Holy cow, would you look at this? Here's 2 tasks that have a duration greater than 0 days, 6 days and 5 days. Yet, for each of them, I don't see the blue Gantt bar. Instead, I see the black diamond, which is the milestone symbol. How is this even possible? In my humble opinion, I believe you are seeing the worst feature Microsoft ever added to Microsoft Project, because this feature allows a user to mark any task as a milestone that has a duration greater than 0 days. So how did the user in question actually accomplish this feat? Here's what he did. Double-click the task with a duration greater than 0 days. Then click the Advanced tab to display the Advanced page of the Task Information dialog. In the lower left corner, there's a checkbox called Mark Task as Milestone. That checkbox option should always be deselected for tasks that have a duration greater than 0 days. The user in question manually marked that checkbox. So I'm going to uncheck it and click OK. And yes, there's what we should be seeing. Let me do it again for the second task. Deselect, mark task as milestone, and click OK. So I want to caution you strongly. Do not ever mark tasks as milestones that have a duration greater than 0 days, because all that will do is introduce confusion about your project schedule. Now, for tasks that have a duration of 0 days, leave them marked as milestones because that is the correct behavior. But never, never, ever mark tasks as milestones that have a duration greater than 0 days. Hey, thanks for watching my video. You know, I always appreciate it when people leave a comment about my videos, especially a comment that includes an idea for a new video topic. So if you have a comment about anything in my video, just drop it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you right away. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.